Nigeria na-agbalị ala itiri Nnamdi Kanu in life imprisonment. Kata akụnụ ya mana menụ na-akụ igwe n'obi shooting bed mama fly. Ọ bụdụ ihe eji ọ na-ekwu. Ọ bụdụ
Please, if you are visiting my YouTube channel for the first time, subscribe with us and turn on your notification button. Hello Biafrans, welcome to Magnetic Jigs TV. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending on your time zone and wherever you're watching us from. Today being 23rd of November 2025, we, the team of Magnetic Jigs TV, is bringing this news live and direct to you. The Biafra Liberation Army is not happy based on what is happening, how they convicted Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, giving him life imprisonment. So according to the Biafra Liberation Army, they say that they are now going to take it very hot, so they say that there is not going to be any mercy again, that they are going to stop all this nonsense happening in Biafraland, especially starting with the saboteurs, that they are going to deal with them. Let me smart, according to this young guy here, he said that a lot of recruitment is ongoing right now at the moment, that in a days to come or more, that so many things will start happening in Biafraland, because they need to release Mazi Nnamdi Kanu and they need to defend the border of Biafraland against the Fulani herdsmen that has already invaded so many cities, or will I say so many states, that is bordering or that has a border with southeast.
Ụmụ Biafra, ana m ekene onye ọbụla kenesi onye ọbụla ike, mana achọ m ime ihe a ka ọ dị very fast. Ihe awụ video eji eme iti mkpu, ma video eji achọ followers, ma video eji eme mpako online, ma video eji trend. Video na-eme ihe a na iji chie ụmụazị Igbo niile warning. Nwanne ọ bụ na ihe na-eme anyị na-ewuta ga-etizi na mkpu online. Ị na-egosi ihe kwesịrị ime with action. Ị na-egosi ya with ka ịchọ followers. Nwanne ana m afụ ya niile na-post online as ndị na-achọ followers. Nwanne m o wutago ozugbo DM m immediately. Group adịgo isa a ga-add ndị Igbo niile, depending on the state isi. What I got fast na iwe Biafra, I got added that na n'ọgbakọ na the group anyị na-aga bayaniana. So onye ọbụla need EDM as fast na ibo onye Biafra, ka anyị adị onwe anyị ebe a kpa ya alụ mara ihe anyị ga-eme ịghọta, maka na agbakọ aka nyụ amịrị. Nwanne ka ihe lebu ndị na-amapụta online na-ekwugharịsị ihe na-enweghị isi ịghọta, because eji ya amalụ ndị be anyị nwegodili ya n'ọkpụ aka ma ha bịagodi that side. And onwe na-agbu no nwanne ediredi nwanne di emu ka ha ba once nwanne comfortable na ọsọ gị nọ ebulugodi anyị ezi ebulugodi baga ebulugodi ke guide nke ọwụ na ọsọ gị bụlụ nwanne na-egbu mma na na-egbu mma ọkịta ka ihe egosi aka ike gị gaa nwanne nke ọ bụla inwe iwelu tie alụ mụnwa nwe nke nwe mma eji tie alụ ka anyị niile tie ike aka ọ na asfas na Igbo ka anyị bụ Igbo abụọ obere obodo ya eji nwe pịta ọna n'obodo anyị efu na zoo, because those people bụ zoo ka ha bụ ịghọtago. So as ya dey talk am na achọ m ka onye ọbụla na ihe na-ekwu obodo ọbụla ọsọ gị nọrọ nwanne anyị niile enyemaka everybody ka anyị gather together anyị ya kwesịrị ime once and for all akwa ịghọta, because anyị ka ma amịla ọnụ ọgba ụfụfụ nwanne asịkwa m again comfort ọbụla ọsọ gị nọrọ nwanne DM me, we dey together, may we go do our thing.
So Biafrans, this man here is exposing Ijele and what that his name again, Ikengurago, they are the ones that has been sabotaging Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, saying a lot of things against Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. And after Mazi Nnamdi Kanu was given life imprisonment, they were so happy. The kind of broadcast they did, they were jubilating, doing a lot of things. I will even play a video of Ikengurago here, how he was jubilating, saying things concerning the judgment that was passed on Mazi Nnamdi Kanu.
Ikengurago Chukwuka Ofegbu, ndị sabotua, ndị contractors, ndị zoo, unu na-agụje ese ka SUV ekwe unu na nkwa. Unu amara na ndị unu na-emeke ihe bụ ndị Nigeria, mana onye lelu nwanne ya elekwe ogo na agbalụbọyị. Ikenga etu anyị nọ na ya dream ka ịwụzie onye na-anya SUV Lexus inside your mind after ka sabotage Nnamdi Kanu. Ị na-enyere Nigeria aka agada evidence iwatch go no if postpone go your SUV magana mozga ya enye if I na go you pocket money iji sustain it credit because they continue your propaganda yeah but ihe nchọ ịgwa gị yeah Nnamdi Kanu kalege kalia ndị nye the contract kalia mama ya ahụ jela afia ji n'ugwu Awụsa gbacha achawo anwụọ mama igwo ya eje ọkụ mmụọ ogbolo na-abụ ọkụ ihe ebe mama gị na Ikenga ebe o ji na-eketa yeah ibe ọ na-eche na awụ ịba ọkụ mmụọ nke ịbụọ because na gị Ikenga very soon ihe anakwuli ebe ahụ ọnọ ibe nchọ ịgwa gị na Chukwuka ofe egbu jee bilin na Abuja yeah that jeep ahụ ekwe unu na nkwa jeep amamba ya aka number 1 na Nigerian government ji on contract ịkpali ya before kwuo against them sign ya contract na ihe bido kwuezi against Nnamdi Kanu and the IPOB and the other Igbo people ị na-achọ na ka ị drag ya jee park na ọkpọ Nnamdi Kanu na phone afọ ebe ị na-eme live program na-asị na jee park kpọọ Nnamdi Kanu na phone na ihe implicate ya ihe nchọ ịgwa gị Nnamdi Kanu akalịka ihe ihe niile anyị fere ị na-eme gị na Chukwuka ofe egbu ya 6 feet ka ị na-edig and time ihe arrive go to the 6th one nọ ka ekpochie gị aja ka ọfọ Nnamdi Kanu ọkụ ife ọnụọṅụ ọvụ mọtọchọ ọnụọṅụ ọvụ nya Ikenga ọ ga-eme gị afet ka unu nche niile raba na-echelu Nnamdi Kanu uche wee gbuolie onunu ka ọ dakpuo Ikenga ịdakpu ihe adakpu na dị onunu mama gị adakpugo na dị onunu already that woman ya eje ọkụ mmụọ 1 billion times and ihe ebe ọbụla that woman nọ akwụghị a na-ebe ụnụ ọ mụta ụdị mmadụ gị wee Ikenga gị na Chukwuka ofe egbu unu emego onwe unu public enemy and ọka ifo ihe ịnwe ọtọmatik ole ịma ntazi ana Igbo again ọkwa ị na mgbasa jide ndị polisi Ikenga ibe nna agwa gị wụ na ya eje gụọ from today ndụ gị eche njikọ and gị nwama even Judas le Jizọs leche enye regret be but nke gị ife ị na-emedo ya anya Ikenga izi ịga ụkwụ na a very big gallop Nnamdi Kanu will lake us on you nke of for certain ibe ọ na-agbasa gị Ikenga awụrụ gị avụrụ ọnụ ọkwa ifu dis jeep ndị Nigeria si na a ga-evi gị that SUV gị na Chukwuka ofe egwu na-elu local champion 2 charlatans Nnamdi na-eji ịnyawazi SUV ọ tọrọ possible Nigerian gọọmenti ya ebitere onwere mgbe evi that moto those contractors facilitate to you nye gị data ọrụ ga-ewe okwe before bribe to bribe onwere ibe ya elu ya aka ife ya elu ya aka na Ikenga ọkụ ife ego a na-eji jee dọjee na Ghana na ọ na AC na-eche ka ọrụ ya mashọ ka akwụọ ọgwụ ụgwọ na-atụ Nnamdi Kanu nga ka ịpụta nyawa SUV ọma wọkụ Ikenga ọkụ ife ụwa gị ihe eji ụkwụ gagide anọ ọbụla ịzọrọ ụkwụ ya ekpegide gị ikpe ọnwụ ifele ka ị ga-anwụ Ikenga n'ụwa ụwa ya ụwa asaa ọ nwere ka imegide n'ụwa anụnwa ọnwụ oyi ka ị ga-anwụ Ikenga bọsị ihe anwụ mmadụ ama mfe ozu gị anya and je nwa ka ya today Ikenga Nnamdi Kanu ya ekwu okwu n'isi gị and from the day okwu unye onye ala ga-aka gị mma ọka ife onye ala ya aka gị wee Ikenga mma Chukwuka ofe egbu na-ena tout ije Turkey even fence Igbo nwere be nna gị o nwere ihe imefụtanwu n'ụwa na ịchọsị ka ị nyahazia SUV because of iselu Nnamdi Kanu Nigerian government gwa gị na ya enye unu SUV ibe a na-eputu ya life on the line Chineke ma elu na ebele ọkwa ifu that ọmọfọtọchọ nwa ka ọ gịnị that George ikpe Nnamdi Kanu ọmọfọtọchọ Yoruba data Yoruba nwoke avụrụ ọnụ ịgwa gị eziokwu unu na-abụ ma that man na onwe ya unu na-abụ nọkpọdisi ya nọ n'ime ya anọ unu nzọ okwu ya egbu unu na-abụ gị wee Ikenga ma maghị ya anwụ ugboro na-abụ ebe ọ nọ ọkwa ife achọghị ọ gbagidere tụtụ ime gị na gboko ya beta ọnụọ wụrụ kansa dịrị n'ime ndị Igbo Ikenga na Igbo ya egbu gị onye ọbụla kpọọ gị afa Nnamdi Kanu rekọmendị ya gị onye ahụ ga-anwụ 10 times n'ime DOS ụmụ anụmanụ.
All right, so my name is Ikenga Oluwago, and this video goes to Justice James Golowale Omotosho, who was born on 21st of July 1966, meaning that he's currently 59 years. Justice James Golowale Omotosho is the presiding judge of Nnamdi Kanu's case. I want to tell you that Ndi Igbo is proud of you. In fact, Ndibo, the original sons and daughters of Ndibo, we thank you elephantly. You have done a great job. In fact, the blood of innocent Igbo's sons and daughters, by Nnamdi Kanu's ideology, they are proud of you. They will continue to protect you. Your going out and coming in shall be blessed. And all the days of your life, you will continue to experience greatness. In fact, celebration will never cease in your family. Justice, James, Kolowele, Omotosho. You don't know what you did for us. Yes, it's true that some of us are not fully satisfied because we thought you were under Nnamdi Kanu. That's what he deserved, because no terrorist will be allowed to be among normal people. So, we thank you. And may the Almighty God, whom you respect so much, continue to protect you. Secondly, I want to thank the President of the Federal Republic of Nigeria, His Excellency Bola Ahmed Tinubu. You see, because of this action you took, by allowing the judge to do the right thing, Ndibo will continue to support your political ambition. When I say Ndibo, we have two categories of Ndibo. Original Ndibo and those who claim they came from Israel, as in the so-called Jewish Ndibo. Original Ndibo will continue to support you, President Ahmed Bola Tinubu. You see, if it's not you, I don't know how Igboland will be by now. But you came, you gave justice, and you rescued Igboland. May our ancestors continue to bless you. And may our ancestors continue to make a way where there seems to be no way for you. Justice Omotosho, in fact, have given us hope that Nigeria will be liberated one day. It is true that we are facing a whole lot of challenges in this country now. But what Justice Omotosho did, it's a hope for the hopeless. I don't think you understand the degree of what you did for us. Forget about some of these fake Igbo politicians who will always want to bring up some narrative to confuse their people. Forget about their statements. They are trying now to turn it to look like, oh, it's now a kind of fight between the Yorubas and the Igbos. Don't mind them. They said they are not original Igbo people. They are from Israel. These people who are causing this trouble, they are Jewish people. If you see some of them, they work out. I don't know where they came from. But the original sons and daughters of Igbo, they are proud. They are more than proud of you, Justice James Omotosho. May God bless you, and may the gods of our land continue to protect you. My name is Ikenga. Come 2027, we shall see who wins.
These are the security men of Lilu. You know, Lilu is part of Anambra State. People has deserted from Lilu for a very long time based on the the problems, or will I say, based on the engagement of fire that has been going on in Lulu between the Musa and the Biafran liberation guys. But life has returned back to Lulu now. In Anambra State, life has returned back in that particular community. So the Ebubago guys are patrolling all the environs of the village, telling people that nothing is happening again, that they should come back home, that they should come back for this Christmas period, that they are securing them. Well, all I know that and all we believe is that let there be peace in Biafraland. Peace is what we want. Even Mazen Nanakalo has been preaching peace, saying it for a very long time. Let there be peace in Biafraland, because we all know that those that are doing all those rubbish are contracted people from the government. Even Hopus Odema said it in one of his broadcasts one day, that it is the evil politicians that are destroying Igbo, not the evil politicians behind the destroyer Igbo, not even IPOB, not even Biafran Liberation Army, but not the evil politicians.
Yes, sir. Okay, Nabara. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Then go from there. Then go from there and track come down. See road. From there and road go down there. Okay. Motor they pass there, they go up now. Before. Album, you got like here. Hey, Amazi. Yeah, Amazi. Yes, sir. Can let me have. Okay. Hey, I'm over here. Why? I want to follow me. Ndị niile unu la ya na ọrụ ga-afụ ọrụ si aga. Laso. Ndị soja nọ, ndị ebubago nọ, ndị volunteers nọ, ndị agonese mbana, police, DSS, everything dị ofuma. Ebe anyị nọ ihe akịta na-abụ na roundabout signboard. Ya signboard ebe a. Anyị agbagobele ebe a. Erugbe. Anyị ebe a akịta na nke ọzọ agbagobezi ụmụ eze ala. Nke ọzọ agbadaba ama ọtọ agbaji. Na ama mali elungobiri kale mmadụ ka eji aka. So from the esizi dị ime ụmụ eze ala kwa rụpụ. A ga-esikwa ebe a na-arụ bogo ka anyị na ọsọ ichekwa. Na anọ n'ọrụ na ngiri na-eme. Why? Onye si n'osiri ike akinjo na so onye ahụ yapụta itu ọnụ. Taa! A na-esi ibubu ngọ. Afụ mmadụ. Ndị mbụrụ agụ anyị kwụrụ ọgba. Eyetago. A na-esi ibubu ngọ. Eyetago. Baị ka anyị nọ. Maka chi ka a na-agwa gị. A na-esi ibubu ngọ. Eyetago. A sị na ọgwụ karịa ọgwụ. Ọgwụ karịa ọgwụ ọbụrụ ọbụrụ. Ụmụ anụ ọhịa na-akpọ m sị they will get me. Who are you to get me? Ndara. Where are they? Keba hano. Nobody get with the wagon. I can that kinjo. Emanezu. Ben nam ki get with the name Ramogeni. Ana maso ben nam ko demma. Ben na ya demma. Sibebi ben nam o usukun. Oh, I Biafra kai na zo haje ba haje zo ba Biafra. O kari eto an. O de ben na zo ba Biafra. Biafra. Mbo ojuko luru ogu Biafra. Ojuko buru ndi Igbo. Taya. Ojuko egbu nwanne. Haje la ben na haje zo ma Biafra. Kasi ki gemezi mu de nwanne ngi Igbo ye. Ibe ya pass ire. Ina siri ihe oji. Biafra. Ibia ba anyị edokosa waya tokosi ihe niile tokosi ebe ndị mmadụ transform anyị ọgwụrụ agwụ lele mas na agba nwụrụ na lili ọgwụrụ agwụ ebere nke dị n'ụmụ eze ala ọgwụrụ agwụ to get network na lili na nsogbu ọ dị mma etu a onye sịkwa na ihe ọjọọ dị mma otu lakwa ụra ihe ọjọọ ahụ bụ nsị mbekwuru n'ihu bie ụmụnne m agazie ni sabe puti lilians udodi yes sir udodi ya izuru eji agazie udodi agazigbele ọ dịgbele mma ba ya adịgo mma ọ ga-adịrịrị mma ya adịgo mma ọ ga-adịrịrị mma no be we na we na no be them na we istra no be them na we yeah ala kana tambo re kaino yes sir ano tambo I'm on every way open. Open the web bubble. Open up everywhere. Yes, gallant soldiers. Ahead. There's another album.
Let me tell them, when I make up, come on,
Hey! No fire again.
I can't tell now, how you go tell you where the farm from?
Yes. See your leg, yo. You play the show. Yeah, what have you do? Yes, you. This house, they're supposed to charge this house. Contract law, but I'm Calantman. Yes, you. When at work. Yes, you. Yeah, federal law, federal law. Federal law, here now. Huh? Only member. Nime federal club. I'm going after this. I get them. Yes. Yes. Where those are? Okay, those that don't go down. Federal club. Yes, sir. I say, Bana. I have to go around the bath from Huala, boss around the bath. So around the bath, I have everybody else to see with children. I see go Ebahana. Now about a cousin, what about the man go do? Now, what's your new boys? Now we saw your corner. Oh, God, for Helena, what's your corner? Oh, you could can name. Yes, you. I feel good can name now. Yes, you. For that side. I don't want to do. I know about that. Federal club. Yeah, federal club. Yes, you.
Aki general.
Nakana.
Why near?
I near the men. Men's there.
I got what to go back you.
I got what yes.
No, one.
Oh, yeah, get money. I bought the road around the back. It is a way we resume to be by. I got friend there back. Check here. I got see her. I'm here. I see the roundabout now, but I bank. I'm a back a little more Jaka. Now she boss out the Nabaranza. A back and move now. No, I'm not telling you. Yes, you. I am on a side, a bank, Abaranza. If you be okay, we don't work. Abala Balaga. What of that side? Really good. For off? No, that's small. Look, we finish from here now. If you reach ending, before you go boss out to the other side, from there we come down. That's small gradually. A journey of 1,000 miles. Start with a step. Yes. Now this is what I'm machine. I want to come close to here about Indiana.
We don't come here before. Don't come here that time.
Before?
Don't come here.
I don't come here before.
Okay, now who clear this road now?
Yes.
Yes.
One lele ko karro o kwesi ton. O greda. Mane di ni here di clear. O wori so yani si grade o de grade sin here.
Ya iru go 3 de kinia.
Up and down the wall.
Yeah, bola ma be ezayezu. Ogboko ma be gidi here be ogboko. Ihu be ka no. Ihu be ka dozana. Ihu be ka the gallant soldiers and the volunteers and agone chamber. Han charge the rebel with more posts and policies. All of us are here. Yes. Ihu be ogboko na ka no hu alapa. They watch and they go. They play the show. They play the shows. Aye bu wa lozo. Oza akuloto. Oza akurugoto na. Yes. You can see little volunteers that are here. Many of them are here. Okuriego. We are moving ahead. You are one of a gallant volunteers.
Yes, we are going.
I trust you, my brother.
Yes, we are going.
He's way with us.
Yes.
I can want them all. I my man. They watch him. They play. They go. They play. They go. They watch him. They go. Bye, kind of. I who are kind of here now. Lama bobo koni. Yes, I is. 3 de kila hale ko. 3. Okwa iruge ba hana. Bem eduwe chukwu neke. Akuzuru akala lili. Aye rugo di. E ma ka no kita. Ahead ka no. Mbogo nu. Oye si na o de kwata eme ngini. Aye buru isi abilite. Ihe alaga. Akbome. Akinjo lekele. Ya gazire ke nwanne. We are fighting ahead. Oh, we have a I know. Mandela born na phone. I get must not get one because I ate a Jojo. He had never buy them when he was. Oh, they will kill themselves. Now they can't kill us. Aberaka. Monakala Hakata. Idiot. Da rangre mob has God polish all of them. Kahabu kwa na phone again Chineka bugwa. Oh boboko na. Oh boboko.
I see the dinner. Oh mazia.
Yeah.
Ebe kawasi. Na lilu ba.
Bye. Agonna.
Abia na hawo.
Ete masa.
Ka ngori gbaji.
Oh da gbagwaji.
Bela ya na egwu.
And ogbaji aye wosia ya.
Kwasi na wa amare mewuri ife.
Haputan.
Ebe so mba fo odogwu.
Oh habu.
Odogwu abata so ha bia.
Habutazie. Ijela aputa obre nwa gbala oso. Ejima gala soja ai kala mo umunnem ya gazien mbogo yes sir. Oh yeah na ala ro right na eja ai na bogo o nwere ka o si dị ebe a. Aha. Boy ha ka no fa na puche no we go si bi. Na ke aya fu o ga no fa ile mi. Ka bo ri la le ko obo. Okwa ka duru lelu ba kuzira hu. Ya abo ko ko obo. Mane na afi asi ko obo camera so obo camera ka ha man tre ba na. Ya. Onwe ihe obo. Ai chere mo obo ihe. Le ba inu na o si lelu a. Ka ozo obo ihe dikiri ya. Ebe ko ri mi. Bo ko ri mi. Innocent anyi. Ebo. Okokoko nwambi lesiri agba nne ya sise ala arụọla ala lilule amaka moye bụ onye lelebe akụziri ahụ anụrụ nwa anụ ọhịa na-ewute anybody see they shoot them, don't mercy for anybody, just they shoot aside. They're hooligans, useless boys, be gallant, be alert. Be gallant. Position yourself very well. Innocent, I age. If I be innocent, I age. I'm a buried. Yes, sir. Alert, cover up. Oh, why I drink here? Anybody see here? Shoot. No firing, no firing. No shoot, don't shoot.
Thank you.
God bless every one of us.
This is the prophecy concerning Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. This guy is indeed a great seer. This guy has predicted what is going to happen, and it is already happening concerning the case of Mazi Nnamdi Kanu and everything that has to do with Biafra.
To explain, I told Waka Waka now, like what I told her, I told him that our leader was, I saw our leader appearing in Israel, and after that, I saw our leader arrested again. Our leader was arrested again. The country where our leader was arrested again is a small country but African country. Just I saw our leader, he was arrested and was about to be killed. Later on, I saw him on that dream that the letter took him to Buhari. They brought our leader to Nigeria. And when they brought him to Nigeria, they took him to prison again. So I was telling this to her. She said, I told her that this is what will happen. Isn't that what I told you? So just, so look at that. It is going to be done, even if it is not this year, it will be next year, 2 years, 3 years to come. And after our leader was arrested, he was took to, he was brought back to Nigeria, and after that, the prophecy I got last night. So the prophecy I got was, I saw our leader Mazi Nnamdi Kanu appearing in a country, in a country of Benin. How will I put it? I saw our leader appearing in Israel. So as he appeared in Israel, everywhere started shaking. With so surprise, he was playing in that my dream. So after that, our leader, I saw Biafra coming. And as I saw Biafra coming, I saw Nigerian military men killing innocent people. I saw Nigerian military personnel going after villagers, killing people in the village, massacring people. I saw governors supporting them. I saw youth dying. I saw villagers burning. I saw cars burning. I saw war. This war that I saw is exactly what I saw in 2013. This war that I saw is exactly the message that came to me 4 years ago, 2013. The same message appeared to me on that dream. That was last night. So it appeared to me that war is going to be happening. Biafrans is going to raise men. Biafra is going to raise men that they will be called Biafran soldiers. He's going to raise men, and those men, their aim is to protect the life and properties of Biafrans. So, and at the same time, I saw death coming. I saw people dying. In fact, what I saw in my dream, my sister, if I started today to be explaining, is very, how will I put it, difficult to explain. I told Waka Waka now, like what I told her, I told him that our leader was, I saw our leader appearing in Israel, and after that, I saw our leader arrested again. Our leader was arrested again. The country where our leader was arrested again is a small country but African country. Just I saw our leader, he was arrested and was about to be killed. Later on, I saw him on that dream that the letter took him to Buhari. They brought our leader to Nigeria. And when they brought him to Nigeria, they took him to prison again. So I was telling this to her. She said, I told her that this is what will happen. Isn't that what I told you? So just, so look at that. It is going to be done, even if even if it is not this year, it will be next year, 2 years, 3 years to come. And after our leader was arrested, he was he was brought back to Nigeria, and after that, everywhere started shaking. The world was silent for some seconds and started shaking to the extent that everybody started supporting Biafra. I saw our leader coming from the prison again, appearing with a Biafran flag. I saw Biafra coming, rejoicing, the people of Biafra rejoicing. But never forget that bloodshed will be done in Biafraland, whether good or bad. People will start killing themselves, more especially those soldiers that we release will start fighting against the evil ones. And another group is going to be out. Those groups that will be out will be those that will be, I mean, let me explain it. I'm sorry to see so let me speak in the one you can understand. Group Bundi Nage Pata, Bundi Shinono Monopata, Shinono Monopata, Indi Omegidele, Indi Nigeria government in Indi like Indi Kelting is boy, Indi Nemo Hinanda, Nandi police or Hanike, the police are or Hane arrest. So Bohibu have touched for suffer from Nigeria government from prison. A make will release there. Agaza form was there. Group fight was against police and army. So this is what I saw. It's going to be happening. Go and write it down. There are a group that is going to be out, and that group, their aim is to fight Nigerian military soldiers and military police, and their aim will be to kill any man on uniform. Write it down. My vision always come to pass. Just write it down. Today is 4th November. Saturday, 4th November. 2017. Go and mark my words. Waka, just write it down. Should in case of I die tomorrow, you just remember this my prophecy. Remember this is going to be done. You understand? But like I'm saying it may not be this year, but next year, 2 years to come. Our leader Mazen Namondekan will not die. He will live. He will not die. He is the director. He is the leader. He is the one, the Moses of our time. So God chose him alone to restore Biafra, and he is going to restore Biafra. Biafra will be restored. Biafra. But I will ask you, don't trust anybody. Do not trust anyone. Do not trust anyone. In this struggle, don't trust anyone. Those who are the first is going to be the last, and those who are the last is going to be the first. What I mean on this, like you, Waka Waka, I know that you are closer to our deputy leader, Mazu Chemofo. I know that you are closer to him, and you are closer to so many of our leaders. But please, what I will tell you today is play for your life. What I saw is very dangerous. Play and be careful. I don't want you to eat anyhow. I don't want you to follow people anyhow. Those that you trust will be those that will kill you. Be careful. Please, be very careful. My brother, I thank you so much. Maze, Chika, Austin. Sample for you, my brother. You are one in a million. I still believe in you. You people are the ones that fight for my release. Because if not you as a journalist, writing, publishing my arrest, and other people publishing it, I don't think we'll be alive. I believe that we was released because Almighty Chukwu Kikabiama want us to be alive, to witness the restoration of Biafra. I'm a God sent. So no one is righteous. I am not righteous in the presence of God and in the presence of men. You understand? These words that I said, go and write it down. Today is Saturday, right? Write it down. Today is 4th November 2017. If I ever in my life betray the restoration of Biafra, let me die. Let my generation be wiped out. I will never do it. I don't want to be in any post in IPOB, and I can never be in any post in IPOB. But the best friend of Nnamdi Kanu is going to betray Nnamdi Kanu. Mark, this is a prophecy that came to my face right now. The best friend of Nnamdi Kanu is going to betray Mazen Nnamdi Kanu. The only person that Mazen Nnamdi Kanu trusted is going to betray him. So it is better that he forge ahead, even when it happens. Mazen Nnamdi Kanu should not be afraid. He should continue. All we know is Biafra is going to be restored in our own time. There is no two ways about it. Biafra is going to be restored. So that is all I can say.
You know, Sokoto prison, all those inmates there, they never expected that Nnamdi Kanu is coming there. They never expected that Nnamdi Kanu, he took them unaware. Nnamdi Kanu has been taken to Sokoto prison, where bandits and terrorists are being packed in the name of prison. But as Nnamdi Kanu was walking in there, Nnamdi Kanu is a light. Nobody can stop Nnamdi Kanu's shine. And the people were like, who is this man? Who is this man coming in? Look at how he is shining. Look at how fresh this man is. This man is not a Fulani herdsman. This man is not a bandit. This man is not a terrorist. Who is this man? And somebody whispered, this is Nnamdi Kanu, the Biafran agitator. And everybody stood up and shouted, this is the Messiah. This is the Messiah. My brother, anywhere you like a local Nnamdi Kanu, he'll be a leader. Anywhere you like a local Nnamdi Kanu, he'll be a ruler. Anywhere you like a local Nnamdi Kanu, he will speak for. Nnamdi Kanu will control the world anywhere you keep him. Even if he dies, we can never forget him. Even if he's no more, he still reigns in our heart. We can't forget on Hamadike. Anywhere you put Nnamdi Kanu, he will rule. Nnamdi Kanu is destined to rule. Nnamdi Kanu is destined to control even when things are difficult. Lock him anywhere if you like. Push him to the worst prison in Nigeria. Take him to the worst prison in Africa. Nnamdi Kanu remains the light and nothing can quench his light. Nnamdi Kanu is a Messiah. Nnamdi Kanu is a Messiah. People stood up to say, who is this man? We have been hearing of Nnamdi Kanu. How come, sir? Why are you here? And then Nnamdi Kanu doesn't talk too much. Do you know what Nnamdi Kanu replied? We are doing this for our unborn generation. Hey! Bro, I just woke up in that dream. Tears in my eyes. We are doing this because of our unborn generation. People bow down for Nnamdi Kanu. People listen to, nobody talks whenever Nnamdi Kanu is talking. People, obstruct intelligence from what Nnamdi Kanu says. People know that Nnamdi Kanu have come to stay. Take him to the worst president in Africa. His light can never be quenched. Be it anything, anywhere Nnamdi Kanu goes, he will be worshipped. And I pray that Chukwu Okabiama, the God we serve, the only person that we call in the time of difficulties, shall see Nnamdi Kanu through. Nothing shall happen to you. If you can stay in the DSS dungeon for over 5 years and you didn't die, even your health condition, now that you have been sentenced to go to prison, there must be a way where there is no way. Though you have been judged with the same Bible that we believe as Christians, you have been judged with that same Bible. But that cannot stop our move. That cannot stop our courageous. We still stand and we know that on a very good day, we shall see the end of the tunnel. Nnamdi Kanu, be strong. It can only get better. We worship you, sir. Thank you, sir, for sacrificing your life, for speaking out loud to make the world to hear that there are these people, calling Igbo people, that has not been given their own rights, even when they are still living. Who in this life can endure to forfeit his rights when he or she is still alive? Nobody. Nnamdi Kanu, you are a Messiah. I bow down before you, sir. I bow down before you. It can only get better.
Where they carry and go now? Huh? Jesus. I'm not longer at TV. Now the video. I'm not longer at TV. This is serious. The sentence in Nnamdi Kanu go to life in prison. The video they do baby. No tweet, nothing. This one the video fan. Let how the video will respect. I guess him fan. Almighty the video have been taken off.
My Biafran people, thank you for watching this video. Remember to subscribe with us, Magnetic Jigs TV, for we remain the best.